Have you ever made it through something and realized afterwards just how much God protected you? I just finished studying the book of Ezra, and this verse stopped me in my tracks because when was the last time you stopped to recognize the unseen covering of God on your journey? Ezra 8:31 says, "We were strengthened by God, and He kept us from the grasp of the enemy and ambush along the way." It shows us the powerful truth of God's hand being on His children. They didn't just make it to Jerusalem, they were delivered from threats they didn't even know existed. Threats they actually never saw coming. Ezra understood that there was value in the divine processes of God and that he served a God of order. When we sidestep order, we may find ourselves in confusion and danger on our mission, which may cause it to actually be aborted, y'all. Ezra's mission succeeded because 1, he invited God into the mission by prayer and fasting. 2, he gathered and prepared the people proactively. 3, he recognized the gaps in his mission, like the missing Levites. 4, he used the resources and people God gave to him. 5, he departed when he had finished preparing. And 6, he encouraged the people to trust in the safety and provision of God. Listen, that is a whole sermon there, okay? Think about your own journey. Are you prepared to let God go before you as your shield? Have you done the things you need to? And will you allow God to do the rest? See, when you trust God and you know you've done the things in order, you can move forward in faith, knowing that God is going to be the one following you and covering you. This has been another episode of 1 Minute on Purpose.